Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change phone number on OnlyFans step by step. First, open the OnlyFans app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you have not logged in prior, you can use the same method that you use when signing up. Once you land on the home page, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, tap on settings. On the settings screen, make sure to tap on account option, where this will open the account page with multiple sections. Under the account info section, you will see options like username, email and phone number. Tap on phone number. This opens the phone number screen. Here your current phone number will be displayed in an encrypted form. Below it you will see two buttons, delete and update phone. Tap on update phone. Now a new screen will open with a phone number field. Please make sure to select your country code using the drop down option, or you can leave as it is and enter the new phone number. After entering the number, tap save. You will now see a confirmation message about a security check. Please read the instruction properly, then tap send code via SMS. Now the OnlyFans will send a verification code to your old phone number. Open your SMS inbox, then copy the verification code and enter it in the verification field within the time limit. Once entered, the confirm button becomes active, then tap on it. Now it will verify your new phone number, and after verifying, it will redirect you to a new screen with a verification code field, where it will also send a verification code within your SMS. So please make sure to copy them and paste on the field. And after successful verification, you will see a confirmation message. So tap close and you can confirm the changes through the phone number section. And that's how you can change your phone number on OnlyFans. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.